This is black, 11104. That is for true. Good luck. If there's a Steelers card, we'll randomize. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go. Here we go. If there's a Steelers card, we'll randomize it. If not, there's no point. Black football, 11104. Let's go. Oh, God, it's gorgeous. Force field, Jahan Dotson for Washington. For the Cardinals, it is a futuristic /99, Trey McBride. Devontae Wyatt /109 for Green Bay. And nice, a double relic /50, Chris Olave. And then /75, Jameson Williams. Oh, piss off, Connor Haywood. Charlie Kohler. It's Big Easy E /99. /35, Ty Chandler for the Vikings. And Bailey's mate, RPA /99, Drake London. Then I'm back 5 of 5, Connor Hayward for the Steelers. Couple of thick boys. James Robinson. For the Jets /50, Zach Wilson. Oi, what does that mean? Jahan Dotson /25. What's Sean saying? What does he mean by that? Oh, boy. Calvin Austin /99. And A.J. Brown /35. Here we go with the Steelers random. That force field, not sure, honestly. It's a bloody beautiful card. Yes. Or in the immortal words of little Shawnee, sexy cop, I'm not an op, but I like that. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Steelers go to the Sainers. 5 times, Sainers on top. Let's find out who's got them. Saints are with Dylan Bartley. Oh, when the Saints go marching in, I want to be in that number. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Oh, over there. Oh, over there. Oh, over where? Oh, over there. I want to be. Oh, wow. I just realized that I haven't had the Falcons, Bailey's mates.